viral big boba drinks. Well, it's actually a grass jelly recipe and it's only 3 ingredients. This part is so oddly satisfying. Just be careful not to burn yourself and let it cool down before setting it in the fridge. I linked the ice tray I used in my bio if you don't already have one. Add some milk tea and you can use a spoon to eat it. So simple yet really delicious.
You're nothing but an ex, expired, exit from my life. An expired, exit from my life. I don't need your love, I don't need your heart. Was poison from the start. An expired, exit from my life. Bye bye. I don't miss your.
Pina colada cheesecake. It's so creamy. Start with cream cheese, coconut cream, vanilla, and sugar. Let's start the party. White or dark rum. Mix. Fresh pineapple. Pineapple smoothie into our mix. In with our prepared crust. Quick spread. Our grown-up cheesecake mix. Quick spread. Now freeze.
The spinach, mushroom, and Parmesan pasta skillet is a super simple, nutrient-packed weeknight meal that comes together quick yet lends a major comfort factor. Simply toss together the sauteed veggies with hot pasta, Parmesan, and pecorino, some staple seasonings. You could also add chicken or shrimp for extra protein, and toss it up for a dinner one and done in 20 minutes. If you're looking for a quick dinner idea that feels kind of fancy but totally isn't because it requires just one pan, 30 minutes, and minimal ingredients, you have to try this creamy lemon garlic chicken gnocchi. Start by browning the chicken in some garlic, then make a creamy lemon reduction sauce with broth and cream. Spoon in the gnocchi, let it get all nice and bubbly, toss in spinach for nutrients and Parmesan for cheesiness. Add the chicken back to the pan and you're ready to serve. It's a huge crowd pleaser that everyone's going to love.